Hi boys and girls, welcome to Social Studies. This week in Social Studies we're talking about history, and today we're going to talk about courageous people who changed the world, and that's the title of our book today. And it's a story about amazing people that did amazing things throughout history. And you can do amazing things too, and these people could be an inspiration for your life. So let's go ahead and read. Wilberforce. Little William saw people from Africa being taken as slaves. He knew he had to do something. Now, this little speech bubble tells us what he said. And here's what he said. It is inconceivable that we could be bored in a world with so much wrong to tackle. And what he was saying is there's so much things that need to change that we should be so busy making those things better and doing good for people. William told everyone who would listen how bad the slave ships were. In 1807, the leaders of Great Britain finally agreed that the slave trade should end. No one should ever own other people. It was a terrible thing, and this man, William, he was an amazing person to fight for that and to make sure that changed. Harriet Tubman. Little Harriet did not like being told what to do. But because she had dark skin, that's exactly what happened all day long. In 1849, Harriet ran north to freedom. She helped others escape too. People called her secret path the Underground Railroad. Unfortunately, there was slavery here in the U.S., and she was one of the people that helped the slaves to escape their slavery. And here's a speech bubble of what she said. She said, "You have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to change the world." And that's true, boys and girls. You can do amazing things to help people and really change the world. Abraham Lincoln. Little Abe saw many people working as slaves in America. No one could agree whether that was good or bad. Now, here's a quote from Abraham Lincoln. Here's a little speech bubble. And it says, "Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm." Abraham Lincoln saw that slavery was bad, and he made sure to do all he could to fight against it.